Woke up to a sticky note stuck to the fridge with a rusty bolt. Said you can keep the house and all this junk. Heard my diesel coughing down the road, dog in the passenger tail and go mode. There goes my best friend, and there goes my only truck. She took the dog, the truck and my pride. Left me here with this lopsided life. House it off the jack stands, now it leans like my alibi. I got a broke down porch and a tilted bed, whole damn world hanging by a thread. If country songs come true, well buddy, I'm that guy. She took the dog, the truck and my pride. Figured I'd go fishing, clear my head, drag that old tin boat from the shed. Duct tape dreams and a cooler full of cheap regrets. Hit the lake, one push, she starts to float. 3 feet out, she slits her throat, bubbles up like my love life. Down that puppy gets. She took the dog, the truck and my pride. Even my boat chose the other side. I'm waving from the shore at my last shred of manhood, going bye, bye, bye. Got a soggy tackle box and one dry shoe, laughing cause what else can you do? If karma's got a list, I'm first in line. She took the dog, the truck and my pride. Deer season comes, I grab my gear, say a little prayer for a big old deer. 10-point dream hanging out past the power line. I line him up, then hear a blast. Buck jumps once and hits the grass. Someone beat me to it from the neighbor's fence line. I stomp on over Madison. Camo dude's got a stupid grin. Turns around, I about swallow my last dip. My wife steps out from his side by side, dog in her lap, tongue hanging wide. Guess I just met the fella she left me with. She took the dog, the truck and my pride. Shot down my buck from the other side. He's got my woman, my venison, and my 4-wheel drive. I raised my hand, said, buddy, you're blessed. You got her now, but I got less stress. Than thank the Lord for my lopsided sing-along life. She took the dog, the truck and my pride. Now the house leans left and my politics right. Hey, boats of reef deers meet at somebody else's campsite. But I got cold beer, bad luck, and a song, and a front row seat when it all goes wrong. She took the dog, the truck and my pride. The truck's on fate, cause I'm alright. Got a crooked little castle and a story that'll kill on a Saturday night. When that new guy's tired and she's done too, he'll lose the truck, the buck, the dog on cue, and I'll be on the porch just smiling.